Okay everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys what I had got from Amazon. The brand is called Morovan. I don't even know how to say it. Morovan acrylic nail kit, and it says professional acrylic system nail art set. So I don't remember how much I got this for. I could probably look on my history and show you guys or link it down below. But this is what the box looks like. This is the top of the box. Hold on, let me show you guys. Yeah. And this is what the back of the box looks like. This is all the products that comes inside. And it shows you the formulas, what they're made of. And yeah. So I'm just going to open the box. And we're going to see. We're just going to see what's inside. So, starting off, well, in the inside. Okay. So, it has like little notes in here. This is nail art. User's manual for the LED lamp that I have. This is the stickers that came inside. And it says gel polish nail art kit. So I'm assuming it's showing you guys, wow, it came with a lot of notes. Acrylic powder nail guide. So as you can see, it came in with 100-piece nails. Oh wow, yeah. I haven't used these as yet, guys, by the way. It comes with nail cleaners, special cleaners, and also, what do they call these things? For like your toes, or you can use them to separate your nails, your fingers. Yeah, so more UV discharge designed nail wipes, I believe. And oh yeah, you just have some more wipes here. Some more, how do you say it? Oh my god. Some more sparkly glitters, which is, I have tons already. These came with like little mini brushes, but honestly I wouldn't recommend these brushes. Maybe use these as like the nail art, but I wouldn't use these as professional nail brushes to apply acrylic. I've learned that in esthetician school, and I kind of want to go back into doing like nails, but the thing is, like, I have to rebuy a whole bunch of stuff again, and yeah. So this comes with gel polish soak-offs. Forgot these. Yeah, so it just comes with a couple gel polishes, and yeah. Also, it comes with more acrylic glitters, which is, I have tons, and I don't even do nails. I have this monomer. I think I probably used it once. Acrylic nail liquid, EMA. Yeah, I believe if you're gonna do acrylic nails, you need to use EMA. And also more tools. Oh, it comes also with the what is it called? Nail file. Some more nail arts brushes. Nail glues. So guys, these are professional, everything you need for beginners. Some more nails tools here. Yeah, so I have some here, and so yeah, more nail polishes here. More by Maroon top coats. some more top coats or soak offs. Yeah, guys, like I just keep seeing like a whole bunch of glitter stuff that they have in here. Tools that you need for your nails, wipes, a mini nail kit, or like nail tips I should say, or pieces, and also it came with this eyeshadow powder. I literally forgot about this kit, and I forgot to like not do a review, and I believe everything in here is pretty much good. I just kind of wish like they would give us like professional, like the thicker, bigger brushes. So yeah, but other than that, I haven't used this as yet, but I am hoping to try to review it, like do a video on it. And it also comes with nail forms. Oh my goodness. Nail forms. Those go under your fingers when you're doing the nails. And it comes with these little mini fingers, so you can practice on doing nails, which is, I don't know. I mean, I've seen people use these in esthetician school, but yeah, I want to know how to like use these things. So yeah, pretty much guys, it comes with a lot of like glitters. Like I see a whole bunch of glitters, which is a good thing, because you don't have to go out your way to buy like a kit of glitter. So it gives you a majority of good amounts of glitter. And it also comes with oh my god, how do you say this? And I went to esthetician school. Oh my goodness. This is for your monomer. For the liquid, when you're doing nails, it's like a little holder. I can't come up with the name, but there's a name for it. Yeah, so just more acrylic powders and glitters here. I'm not sure on what this is. So yeah guys, that's really what came in the kit. Just a whole bunch of glitters and wipes. Oh, this is kind of cute color right here. Yeah. And another tool. But yeah guys, so that was all that hold on, let me prep. That was all that came in the box. I mean, I kind of would recommend it if you are kind of just like trying to do like a little tester on nails. I wouldn't say like it's like, I mean, maybe you could say it's beginner friendly, but I wouldn't say like if you want to do it as like professional doing big nails. I wouldn't really recommend, just because like the tools are tiny. I would probably use these tools as drawing tools, but that's about it. Like I wouldn't use them for like acrylic nails. Yeah, so thank you guys for like, commenting, and subscribing. And yeah guys, I hope that you guys liking my videos that I'm gonna be putting out today. And yeah, I love you guys.